Hello dear friends, I know your marriage is the most special moment in your life, right? So why don't you share your special moment in a very specialized way on Facebook? I'm talking about creating the marriage post on Facebook. First, what to do? After opening your Facebook profile, just click on this box. Now scroll down a little bit, and now select the last second option, live event. Now select the third option, relationship. Again, select the third option, marriage. Now add your marriage photo here. To add your photos, just click on photos and videos option, and then select your photo from your phone gallery. Selecting your photos, just click on down at the top right corner. And if you want to add your partner, then you can do that too. But remember one thing, if you want to add any partner, your partner should be in your friend list. And if you want to write something about your marriage, then you can do that too. Just click on say something about this, and then write whatever you want to write. After writing and adding everything, just click on next button at the top right corner. And now to share this post with the public, just click on post button at the top right corner. That's it. So this is how you can create a very special marriage post on Facebook. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.